Hi, this tutorial explains who can see your Panopto videos depending on your sharing permissions. You can share your video with anyone at NC State University, whether it's with individuals or groups. Or you can share your video with anyone outside of the university. A Unity ID login is required to view your video if you choose to share it with anyone at the university, and you will be able to track individual viewing history. If you choose to share it with anyone outside of the university, a Unity ID login is not required, and you cannot track individual viewing history. To access the sharing permission, log in to your Panopto. Go to the video and click the Share button. In the Who Can Access This Video, click the link Change. From this window, you have 4 different sharing options. Select only specific people and groups. Your video can be viewed only by the people or groups you add in the Add People and Groups text field. Select anyone at your organization who has the link. Anyone at NC State University who has your video link can view your video. If you want to share your video more widely, such as with users outside of the NC State University, without Unity IDs required, you would choose one of the last 2 options. Choosing Public Anyone who has the link will allow users to view your video as long as they have your video link. Choosing Public Anyone can find and access. Your videos are fully searchable and viewable on the internet. Those who have a Panopto account will also see the video in their Panopto library under the Everything tab.